Hello, my name is Parker George, and I'm a fourth-year student pharmacist at Ohio Northern University Raby College of Pharmacy. I'm originally from Chillicothe, Ohio, and I'm honored to be the 2026 recipient of the Quinn NRHA Rural Health Association Student Award. As a Doctor of Pharmacy candidate with a minor in public health, my passion for rural health has shaped much of my journey. Growing up in a rural community, I've seen the barriers that patients face in accessing care, and that has driven my commitment to improving health outcomes in underserved areas. Throughout pharmacy school, I focused on advocacy, education, and patient-centered initiatives. I've had the opportunity to testify on House Bill 192, the Community Pharmacy Protection Act, before the Ohio Health Insurance Committee, advocating for policies that support community pharmacists. Also, I traveled to Washington, D.C. this past March to advocate for federal pharmacy legislation and represent the voices of student pharmacists on a national level. In addition to advocacy, I've been involved in advancing clinical services in rural communities. Working alongside Dr. Michelle Musser on behalf of Kappa Psi, I've helped develop RX for Healthy Lungs, a pharmacy-led tobacco cessation initiative. Through this project, we've secured funding for a spirometry machine to better identify and support current and former tobacco users. This initiative aims to increase successful tobacco cessation efforts through counseling and medication support, reduce overall tobacco use rates, and improve the early identification and management of tobacco-related conditions such as COPD and lung cancer. This project reflects the expanding role pharmacists can play in preventative care and chronic disease management, especially in rural settings. Receiving this award is incredibly meaningful to me, and I'm grateful for those who have supported me on this journey. I remain committed to advocating for rural health, expanding access to care, and continuing to serve patients in the most efficient way that I can. Thank you again for this honor.